Hey, okay, so now this is the second assortment of the Super 3s, and this is SC399, and this is their second set. There's 3 cars. These are their generic stock cars, and we got the Chevy and the Monte Carlo. I didn't bring the Dodge. There's 2 different liveries, or 2 different colors for each one of these cars, and these are the new Super 3 chassis.
Why
they
are
have
they generic? Why don't they have racers?
Because NASCAR thinks that their license is gold, and so they charge an arm and a leg, and they're not worth it, honestly. Now, Carrera's doing NASCAR. I don't know why they're doing NASCAR. It's just the licensing is too high. And so these are just generic licensed cars, and this is Super 3 chassis. Now, some people like these chassis, and some people don't. You know, that's all there is to it. Okay, but anyway, so this is the Super 3 car, and this is the Ford, but I can't run this because it's got a bad chrome on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut out the Chevy so you guys can see how fast these are. Now, a lot of people like the Super 3s just because they're a faster cam motor, okay? Takes less, you know, the motor is already finished, all right? See, that's a much more secure. I was wondering why that car was doing that. Huh. Well, what the heck is going on here? Oh, you know what it is? I don't have enough power. Hey, go flip that switch on that to give that a medium power. Yeah, see that? See, these cars are much faster, and so on the beginner, there's just not enough voltage for these things.
So it's on expert now.
It's on expert now. And you got to know what you're doing to drive these cars. And there's basically 6 different NASCARs or generic NASCARs in the assortment. SC399. SC399. You want to be SC399. Okay? And there's 3 different cars, Chevy, Dodge, and Chevy, Dodge, and Ford. And there's 2 colors of each car. And so this is the Dodge. No, Chevy. This is the Chevy. These are nice cars. Really pretty cars. Pretty. Fast, too. Fast cars. Holy cow. Of course, that is not an experienced driver. Oh, gosh. Good grief. And that is SC399, available at ProTinkerToys.com.